how to fix your Valorant Night Market not showing. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your night market schedule. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and look for the night market. It usually comes once every 1 or 2 months, and it doesn't show up every month. Also, keep in mind your account must be level 20 or above, and new or level or low level accounts won't get night market. You want to also go ahead and check your region. So night market may not be available in your current region. You can try changing your region. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and wait and be patient, because night market is completely random for every player. If it's not showing, just wait for the next cycle. You can also try restarting your Valorant and PC. Check your internet connection or clear cache and temp files. If it doesn't work, then simply go ahead and contact Riot support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.